But we just stopped and got some gas before we got to the boat launch here, and I noticed a couple of interesting things. First, there were two other boats getting gas with me, which is not unusual for a Sunday in Wisconsin. One of the things I love the most about Wisconsin is how many guys are towing boats with them. That's just something that it's a way of life up here. It could be anything from a big fiberglass bass boat or walleye boat to a sailboat to a 12-foot john boat. The thing is, the people in Wisconsin love the outdoors. But one of the things that surprised me in both those instances, the individuals pumped gas, went inside to pick up some ice and some drinks for the day, it looked like, but they left everything in the boat just wide open. So there were like fishing rods sitting out, there were tackle boxes sitting out. It was just one of those things where I was like, man, if somebody wanted to steal something, they really could do it. And I know on this channel I talk quite a bit about safety and locking up your stuff, because unfortunately this world is full of thieves. And right now I feel like more than ever, it's very, very important to lock your stuff up. So when I got here to the ramp, one of the things I wanted to do too is just walk you through all these other trailers that I got sitting here. There's 1, 2, 3, 5 other boat trailers with myself. I'm willing to bet you half at the most have their trailer locked up, have some of their valuables locked up. You know, I am sponsored by DuraSafe, but one of the reasons why I love DuraSafe is because they make products that allow me to secure my valuables. It gives me a peace of mind when I'm on the road, not to potentially have some of my stuff stolen. And I realize, like all locks, they can be broken in some form or fashion. But the key here is when I stop at a gas station, when I stop at a hotel, when I'm at the boat ramp, I want to make it as difficult as possible for a thief to potentially steal my stuff. So if my trailer is parked here and it's locked up and my spare tire's locked up, it's going to make it a much harder target than the boat trailer that's next to it that's not locked up, that has a trailer tire that's not locked up. I just want to make it a hard target, because if somebody pulls into this parking lot right now and they see me, you know, with a saw or something trying to, you know, break something off a trailer, the reality is they probably will know that that is a thief, and that's a big deterrent to a thief, is making your stuff harder to steal. So I just wanted to walk you through some of these other trailers. We'll see what people have locked up. In my case right here, you know, I've got both a DuraSafe lock bolt on the receiver as well as the lock to the truck. And one other thing I want to point out again, with the DuraSafe locks, I have them all keyed alike. So this lock and my spare tire trailer lock, this guy right here, they all use the same key. It's the same thing. It's the same key that I use with my E-locks that are on the boat, my trolling motor lock, all keyed to the same lock. So it's one key on my keychain. Doesn't mean I have to have 5 of them. It's one of the best features about the DuraSafe locks. And it's something that you can have easily done when you order the locks. And I'll put links to DuraSafe, a Wisconsin company, on the video description so that you can go check it out if you want. One other thing to point out too here, I've got a highway right over me, easy access to the highway. So this is another ramp where somebody could easily take something and be a long distance away with very few people seeing, which just makes it that much more important to lock your stuff up. So again, with respect to my boat trailer and my spare tire, I've got 3 locks all keyed alike. So let's see what some of these other guys have. And I'm gonna do it without showing license plates. So they've got no lock. They got a lock to the truck, and they've got a lock on the spare tire. So they've got 1 lock. They've got a lock, but no lock. Take the whole trailer. No lock on the spare tire. This individual has a lock, but no lock to the truck, so they could pull it right off. That's the thing, you lock the trailer on doesn't mean anything. So this trailer is locked on, but it's locked onto the truck, but not locked onto the trailer. And then the last one here, no lock, no lock, no lock. Really nice trailer. Could be gone literally with the pull of a pin. just something that is really surprising to me. I mean, trailers in today's day and age, I mean, we're talking thousands upon thousands of dollars. The stupid spare tire with the rim, you're talking about hundreds of dollars. And you can go DuraSafe, buy all the locks you need for not much money at all. Gives you peace of mind, locks up your stuff. Just for me, it's a huge part of me being on the road and feeling comfortable with me traveling around. And like I said, they make locks for everything. You wouldn't, like, you go on their website, they have locks for all different types of RVs, all the outdoor needs, not just locks like your DuraSafe E-locks or my trolling motor lock, which I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it right here. Again, all keyed the same. Just make life easy for you guys. Don't run into an instance where you get back to the boat ramp and your trailer's gone. Not a good thing. You don't want to be in that scenario. Anyways, I'm gonna jump in the water. I'm gonna get out of here. Go check them out. DuraSafe locks. Put the link in the video description for you. Made in the USA, Wisconsin company. Absolutely love working with them. Let's give them some support and give you guys peace of mind by locking up your valuables. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We'll have a new video coming out tomorrow.